Hi everyone, in today's video I'll show you how to make dialogue in Roblox Studio with a simple method. Let's get started. First, open Roblox Studio and launch the game or experience where you want to add the dialogue. Next, open your browser and go to create.roblox.com/store/asset 146521322/NPC dialogue. This will take you to a free NPC dialogue model created by Oros. Huge shout out to them. Once you're on the model page, click Get to add it to your inventory. Now go back to Roblox Studio. Click on the Toolbox panel, then go to the Inventory tab. Here you'll find the NPC dialogue model. Click on it to insert it into your game. Once it's added, look at the Explorer tab. Click the drop-down arrow next to NPC dialogue, then click on Touch Dialogue and double-click the handler script inside. This will open a script where you'll see messages. Hello, this is a dialogue text test. You can change these to anything you want. For example, replace it with, "Hi there, welcome to my game." Once you're done editing, go ahead and click the play button to test it in your game. And that's it. You've now added working NPC dialogue to your Roblox Studio experience. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.